Prepositions Quiz. Designed for beginner level. In today's video, we'll practice prepositions, and you have 25 questions to complete the quiz. Let's get started. She went to the market. There's a picture on the wall. The shoes are under the bed. The dog is sitting next to the chair. The clock is between the door and the window. The bus stop is in front of the bank. The car is parked behind the building. The pen is in your hand. He put his bag on the table. We go to school in the morning. The shop closes at 9 p.m. I don't work on Sundays. We always have lunch at noon. She is sick, let's hope for the best. My family goes on vacation in the summer. There is someone at the door. We are walking through the park. The boy is running to his father. She's going to school now. The ball rolled into the street. The bird flew over the trees. He walked over the bridge. The children are jumping into the pool. They are moving into a new apartment next week. Someone is hiding behind the curtain. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Check out our other grammar quizzes to keep improving your English step by step. See you in the next video.